riveted hooks, beginning with 7.5 inches of 21 by 6mm mild steel. I've now marked the piece and centre punched it. I've come in 1.5 inches from either end and take the centre line and put a centre dot there and there. Then I've halved the distance between these 2 points, which are the 1.5 inch marks, and that's the centre there. Then I've halved the distance between those two and taken the centre line and centre punched again. These two will be for the hooks. These two are for the fuller marks. I've now drilled and countersunk the 2 holes that will take the rivets for the hooks. I've also lightly drilled the other 2 positions which marks the fullering, which will make it a lot easier to find it when it's hot. I've drilled the holes using a 6.5mm drill bit because I intend to use 6mm rod for the rivets. I shall form the fullered areas with this spring fuller which I made, which fits in the Pritchell hole in the anvil. And then the rod goes in there, you strike it with a hammer. Down the end to a blunt point. Mark how long that point is, so that I'll hopefully replicate it on the other side. Okay, again. bit longer, but difficult to stop. This is the reverse side with the countersinks in it. I'm going to texture the face side, and while I'm at it, I'm going to straighten out these two ends, which are not quite, that edge isn't quite right. There we go, textured. Next step is to make two J-hooks to fit the rivet holes and the rivets. Refer to my previous video, links in the top right hand corner for making the J-hooks. Okay, finished the J-hooks. I've marked, centre punched and drilled a 6.5mm hole in each of them. I've cut 15 mils of 6mm round, which I estimate, will be the correct amount to rivet this. And then the proof of the pudding, as they say, will be in the eating. I think that's enough. But first I'm going to clean it all up, because I don't fancy doing it once this is all riveted together. Okay, now I'm going to try and rivet it cold. I think that's gone quite well. The only issue I've got is there's a sharp edge there. I can't really get the hammer in there. I might try a smaller hammer. Go. I don't think that's a bad effort. Yes, the hooks are different heights, but I think that lends it a certain je ne sais quoi. And if I'm challenged, I'll say, well, I did that because it pleases me. Now, these sharp bits here, I'm going to see if I can polish those out with a wire wheel. Okay, now I've polished out those with a wire wheel, so there's no sharp bits. There's a bit there actually, I'll go back and do that in a minute. So there we go. The only thing I've got to decide now is where to put the mounting holes. Now I think, looking back on it, I probably should have done that before I did the riveting and the texturing and all that. I think here and here will be the logical places. I could put them in the ends of the bar there and there, I suppose. No, I think it looked better there and there. So I'll just run off and do that now. There we are now, done. Mounting holes drilled and countersunk to allow for a screw head. There we have the finished article.